Nightfall, a problem that's common not only in youngsters but in every age group. And there are several reasons behind nightfall. Whatever the reason is, solution is there in Bharat Yoga. Today we are going to talk about solution to this problem for every age group. So do watch this video till end if you suffer from this problem or anyone in your family who is hesitant to talk about it, who is hesitant to share this with you. Share this video with as many people as possible so that maybe one share of yours can save someone from a problem, from embarrassment, and from so many other things. Do watch this video till end. Namaste Haryom, I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you at Bharat Yoga English. So let's start with a complete roadmap of what has to be done if you want to bid a farewell to the problem of nightfall. The first and most important thing is try to take your last meal by 7 p.m. So when I say a roadmap, from evening till morning, we are going to talk about 5 or 6 things that you have to do, which are 100% going to help you. And among these several things, first and foremost important thing is take your last meal by 7, which is very, very important. So if you take your last meal by 7 and you sleep on time, this is going to work wonders for you. Now fix a time of sleeping. Generally, when we have a problem and we want to ignore or delay that problem, we delay our sleep. So fix a time to sleep. Let's say by 10 you go to sleep. But of course, if you're not habitual of sleeping at 10, what will happen? You will start looking at phone, or again you will start having different kind of thoughts in your mind, which instead of decreasing the problem are going to increase it. So first thing, have your last meal by 7 p.m. and then fix a time of sleeping. Now before you go to bed, you have to chant Om 16 times. In yoga practice, it is called Pranav Ucharan. So sit quietly, take a deep breath in. You can do it while sitting on the bed, or you can just put a mat next to your bed and then you can perform Pranav Ucharan. How do we do that? Just sit in comfortable position. Best is cross-legged position, and if you can't sit in cross-legged position, sit in any comfortable posture. Take a deep breath in and this we have to do 16 times. So make sure the way I have shown it to you, you have to do it this way. Otherwise, sometimes just to complete the count, what do? Om, om, om. No. The effect of this sound at your abdomen, at your reproductive system, at your respiratory system, and at your entire, all systems of your body, that is important. Pranavacharan for 16 times. Best is to chant Hanuman Chalisa. If you remember Hanuman Chalisa, chant Hanuman Chalisa once. It helps you in strengthening your mind. It also helps you in several other ways, because we have a topic that we teach in our teacher training programs, which is mantra therapy. How words contribute in your health, how what you listen, what you sing, the song that you are listening, everything, how the vocal chants, that counts in your health. So I'm not going to discuss all that right now in this video. So first is take your last meal by 7 p.m. Then set a time of your sleeping. Now before your sleeping time, before the time that you have finally, let's say 10 p.m. So just before that, chant 16 times Om, which is Pranav Ucharan, and then best is if you can chant Hanuman Chalisa. If you don't know Hanuman Chalisa, then just after 16 repetitions of Pranav Ucharan, you can lie down on your bed and sleep. But as I said, you're not habitual of sleeping during the at 10 p.m. So your mind will say, come on, let's watch mobile, let's watch TV, let's do something else. You have to give a work to your mind. What that work would be? Jap. So you can chant Gayatri mantra, mental chanting, or you can take any other mantra. Best is Gayatri mantra. So keep chanting that mantra in your mind until you fall asleep. This way you are going to train your mind. Your mind might resist for first week of practice, but then after 1 week it will start listening to you. So after, while chanting, mental chanting of Gayatri Mantra, you go to sleep and then try to wake up early in the morning so that you can take the sun rays on your chest and your navel. Best is to take these rays bare body. But if you are staying in such a premises where you can't take it bare body, then either yellow color cloth or orange color cloth or any transparent white color cloth would work. So take sunlight, rising sun's light, sun rays at your chest and your navel. Now, among the practices, here right now you can do practice, and if you can't do here, then any time of the day, but preferably in the morning. First is you have to practice Surya Namaskar. So I have already shared a complete video on Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar gives us strength, it gives us energy, it gives complete exercise to your body and your mind, and it is a wonderful, wonderful practice to get out of the problem of nightfall. So you can practice Surya Namaskar. Start with 6 repetitions, gradually take it to 12 repetitions. We don't need to do more than that. So here we'll be showing you a visual of all the 12 steps of Surya Namaskar. You have to practice these steps only, and if you have any confusion, you can check my video, complete video on Surya Namaskar step by step along with breathing, and you can practice that. Second practice that you have to do is Mool Bandh. Now, Mool Bandh is a practice that I can't show you. Just understand it. Sit in cross-legged position, normal breathing, contract your anus. And when you contract your anus, your entire perineal area will be contracted. Hold it as long as comfortable with normal breathing, and then you release it. You can start practicing it with 3 repetitions. Gradually, you can take it to 5 repetitions. And the last practice is auto-suggestions, which means before going to bed, stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself, I'm going to have a sound sleep. I'm not going to have nightfall tonight. I'm not going to have any problem tonight. I am Paramatma's child. I have strong willpower. All is going to be good. I'm absolutely healthy. I'm absolutely happy. All good is going to happen with me. That's it. So these simple 5 to 6 steps you have to do, no rocket science, and trust me, if you follow all these steps, you are going to bid a farewell to the problem of nightfall. That's all for today. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. I'll be meeting you very soon again with a fresh video. Keep sending us your love, keep sending us your queries and questions, and keep sending us your suggestions. That keeps our entire team motivated. You can join our online classes, and you can also visit us at Rishikesh from 13 to 16 December, where we are having Bharat Yoga Retreat, which is a wonderful, wonderful program. If you can accommodate these dates, come and stay with us. That's all for today. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Hari Om.